Jamar Rolando McNaughton, born on October 10, 1992, and known to the world as Chronixx, is a Jamaican reggae sensation whose name echoes through the halls of modern reggae music. Initially dubbed Jah Little Chronicle in honor of his father, the singer Jah Chronicle, Jah Chronixx later embraced a name that would become synonymous with the reggae revival movement. Chronixx's emergence marked a renaissance in the reggae world, a powerful resurgence of the genre that had captivated hearts globally. Alongside notable artists like Alborosie, Dre Island, Jah Bouks, Jah 9, Protoje, Kelissa, Jesse Royal, Keznamdi, and Kabaka Pyramid, Chronixx has breathed new life into reggae, bringing its soulful, socially conscious messages to a new generation. His music isn't just heard, it's felt deeply. Chronixx's lyrics are a tapestry of potent themes. His staunch anti-war stance, heartfelt romantic odes, and inspiring messages of resilience resonate with listeners, making them reflect, dance, and dream. His voice, both soothing and powerful, has become a beacon for those seeking solace and strength in a chaotic world. From his vibrant rhythms to his thought-provoking words, Chronixx has carved a unique niche for himself in the music industry, ensuring that reggae's legacy not only endures but thrives with renewed vigor. Chronixx's early life. Chronixx attended St. Catherine High School in Spanish Town, where his journey in music began at a remarkably young age. At just 11 years old, he recorded a gospel track with renowned producer Danny Brown, although it was never released. Undeterred, he lent his harmonious vocals to artists like Lutan Fyah and dove into production work. His talent for crafting rhythms caught the attention of big names, leading him to create beats for artists such as Conscience, Popcorn, and Munga Hornerbell under Maverick Records. By the age of 14, his prowess in producing and building rhythms was undeniable. One notable creation was the Freezer rhythm for Icebox Records. However, tragedy struck in 2009 when his brother passed away, a heartbreaking event that deeply influenced his music. In his grief, he found solace and inspiration, teaming up with Romain Teflon Arnett of Zinc Fence Records, and began penning some of his most poignant lyrics. Chronixx is married to Kelissa McDonald, who is a songwriter and a musician. Chronixx has a daughter that was born in 2019. Music career. Chronixx's rise to fame skyrocketed in 2012, thanks to massive airplay in Jamaica and standout performances at renowned festivals like Reggae Sumfest. His electrifying show at Kingston's Tracks and Records nightclub in December even drew the attention of sprinting legend Usain Bolt. This exposure was further amplified by his feature on Major Lazer's mixtape "We Start a Fire," which introduced him to a broader audience and set the stage for an incredible year in 2013. In 2013, Chronixx released two chart-topping hits, "Just Smile Jamaica" and "Here Comes Trouble," that quickly became anthems in the reggae scene. These songs not only resonated with fans, but also showcased his unique blend of traditional reggae rhythms and contemporary themes. His increasing popularity led him to tour the UK, where he performed at a BBC One Extra concert in Leeds, and the US with his Zinc Fence Redemption Band. These tours were crucial in establishing his international presence and connecting with fans outside Jamaica. March 2013 marked a significant milestone in Chronixx's career when he traveled to Kenya as a peace ambassador during the country's general election. Performing at the Tuko Rada Peace Concert in Nairobi, he captivated a large and devoted fan base, further expanding his influence and demonstrating his commitment to using music as a force for positive change. His return to Reggae Sumfest in 2013 was another triumph, as he performed before a massive crowd of over 10,000 people, solidifying his status as a major player in the reggae world. The release of his EP She Dread and Terrible on April 1, 2014, was a game-changer. The EP quickly soared to the top of the Billboard Top Reggae Albums chart and maintained its position for an impressive 42 consecutive weeks in the top 10. This success was fueled by his appearance on Jimmy Fallon and a high-energy concert in Central Park, which drew significant attention and bolstered his popularity even further. The EP's impact was undeniable, with its blend of poignant lyrics and powerful rhythms resonating with a global audience. In 2014, Chronixx's collaboration with Protoje on the single Who Knows achieved silver certification by BPI in 2022, highlighting the enduring appeal of the track. That year, he also swept the Linkage Awards in New York, winning Culture Artist of the Year, Best New Artist, and Entertainer of the Year. His performance on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and a subsequent concert in Central Park, attended by over 5,000 fans, underscored his growing influence and ability to draw large crowds. Chronixx's nomination for a MOBO Award for Best Reggae Act in September 2014 was a testament to his rising profile in the music industry. The following month, he won awards for Best Song for Smile Jamaica G and Best Music Video for Here Comes Trouble G at the International Reggae and World Music Awards. These accolades recognized not only his musical talent, but also his innovative approach to reggae music. In addition to his success as a performer, Chronixx co-founded the Zinc Fence Records production house with producer Romain J. Teflon J. Arnett and co-producer/engineer Ricardo de Shades E. Lynch. This venture allowed him to produce hits for other artists, including Jah Cure, Kabaka Pyramid, and Protoje, and collaborate with musicians like Maverick Sabre and Mavado. The production house quickly gained a reputation for its high-quality work and innovative sound. In January 2015, Chronixx featured on Joey Badass's debut album with the track Belly of the Beast, showcasing his versatility and ability to cross genres. His performance at the Glastonbury Festival in June 2015 was another highlight, further cementing his global appeal and introducing his music to new audiences. Chronixx's debut album Jah Chronology, released in 2017, earned a Grammy nomination and a Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence. The album was praised for its innovative blend of reggae, hip-hop, and R&B, and its thoughtful lyrics addressing social and political issues. This recognition was a testament to his talent and the impact of his music on a global scale. On March 13, 2020, Chronixx released Je de la Move, the first single from his eagerly awaited second album, Je de la Splash. The title of the track and album were inspired by his hometown, De La Vega City in Spanish Town, Jamaica, reflecting his deep connection to his roots. The release of Je de la Move marked the beginning of a new chapter in his career, as he continued to evolve and push the boundaries of reggae music. Chronixx's journey from a rising star in Jamaica to an internationally acclaimed artist is a testament to his talent, hard work, and dedication to his craft. His music has resonated with fans around the world, and his influence continues to grow. As he prepares to release Je de la Splash, there is no doubt that Chronixx will continue to shape the future of reggae music and inspire a new generation of artists and fans. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting news.